Hey friends, if you encounter the error the application was unable to start correctly 0xc0000142 on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure to resolve it. Now here's the thing. It may occur with any application. They have given it for Microsoft Office, but it may occur with any application. So they are asking for a Windows update to repair the software, to uninstall it, reinstall it, etc. Now here's the thing. We can just go for the repair and reset thing. So let's say that the application is which application shall I choose? Let's say it's a sniping tool. Okay. All I need to do is click on app settings in the right pane. Scroll down, first terminate the process, then click on repair. Okay, let it repair, then click on reset and reset once again. I'll tell you what happens when you try to repair an app. Okay, it will, when you repair an app, it will actually update the app as well. And then you can obviously uninstall it. Okay, and then reinstall it from the best source. Like for the sniping tool, the best source will be the Microsoft Store, but it depends. Okay, so I'll open the sniping tool here and I will click on get so that I can reinstall it from the Microsoft Store or whatever its manufacturer's website is. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.